Meaning of heath.
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 Heath. Heath refers to an area of open space covered in low-growing, woody vegetation, typically found on high ground or near the sea. These areas are often characterized by a lack of trees and are home to a variety of wildlife. The plants that grow in heathlands are often adapted to nutrient-poor soil and frequent fires. They may include heather, gorse, and bracken. Heathlands provide important habitats for many species, including birds, mammals, and insects, and they also have cultural significance as places for recreation, inspiration, and spiritual connection with the natural world.